Hello, Clear Broad, North Dallas. 2026 Ford F150. This is the they call it a Lobo. I think it's an STX. Their base work truck that they put a nice motor in it and do some other things to make it look fancy. Wheels, side skirts, whatever. But this came to us from a regular customer of ours, and we did full PPF on the front, paint correction, ceramic, and then we added these vinyl stripes to match his 2016 Viper ACR. So this is kind of his theme in his man cave at one of the parks locally around here, and this is what goes around his wall. It's what's on his ACR and a couple other things. But great looking stripe package, and let's take a look around what we did here. So the PPF, like we always do, all the corners and edges are fully wrapped. All the edges around the hood, the fenders, fully wrapped in. We don't leave any edges out here. Everything gets wrapped around all the corners. Everything looks perfect. These came off so we can go underneath. The full doors all wrapped in, all the way underneath, all the way here, 100%. All this paint's fully wrapped underneath so it doesn't get chipped. The lenses, the full front, all the white's done. The striping obviously is the vinyl that we use from, can't think of the name of the company now, I'm drawing a blank. Anyway, on the hood here, we took these little vents out so we can go underneath those. But everything's nice and clean, free from any debris, stretch marks, any issues. Coming around here, all wrapped in. Everything, Avery Dennison. Avery Dennison's who we used. Anyway, so coming back here, all our correction, our polishing. We didn't do the window tint, that was done by the dealer. And then all the way back here is fully ceramic coated. The roof, the stripes back here are just the vinyl. The PPF is over the vinyl in the front. And there it is. That's a 2026 Ford F150 crew cab with what is called a Lobo, from what I heard. I don't know anything about these trucks, so looks great. Installs perfect. Guaranteed for 10 years. Our installation's guaranteed as long as you own the car. I always back up my installations, and we have yet to have any in over 30 years come back. So there it is, clearbroadnorthdallas.com. Have a great day.